We are pleased to show you the 2022 Colorado. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, hill descent control, trailer brake controller, remote keyless entry, trailering package, daytime running lamps, traction control. Inside you'll find steering wheel controls, HD radio, cruise control, air conditioning, console, great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.